Guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a quick get ready with me. I'm not going anywhere. I just felt like doing my makeup this morning, and I am using the Jacklyn Hill palette. So right here I'm just doing what I always do, is just going ahead and doing my brows. It's nothing new. I do them the same all the time. I think I have gotten it down to a science, so I sped this up because nobody want to see the same thing over and over again. So, just keep watching. Yeah, I like the color payoff from her palette. I haven't used it yet, but I decided to go ahead and use it today. So I'm going ahead and chose my colors, what I wanted to do, and I am going ahead and chose to put this like buttercream color right underneath the brow. And I forgot what brush I'm using, but I'll put the brushes, I believe I'll put them below, but it's no big deal. Just use the brushes that you have, or use your fingers, whichever you choose. Don't ask me why I'm moving my head back and forth. It's funny when you're watching yourself, you're like, what the hell? So I already had my foundation on. I went ahead and did my brows and my foundation. So that's the reason why I have the powder on already, because I put the foundation on. And I was using Nars, because if you girls, guys know it yet, Nars is listed as the #1 foundation for 2020. So it has the greatest payoff and everybody's loving it. So go out and try the Nars foundation. Actually, I like the color on me. I will put what number I am using. I'll put all that info in the description box. I'm doing a voiceover because, girl, I was into doing this makeup. I wasn't saying a damn word. I was just on ahead and blending, blending, blending. Blending is your friend. I know y'all know that because y'all watch YouTube. So do I. What's your favorite channel to watch? I hope I'm like listed in there somewhere. They have so many great makeup artists on here. And I'm not one of them, but I have learned so much. And I have that stocking cap wrapped around my head because I just put my hair unit on. I just glued it down. So I am waiting for it to dry a little bit. In this berry color, I'm going ahead and putting that in my crease just to give my eyes some depth. I have hooded eyes, so I always like the way when I put a darker color in the crease and I kind of drag it up to elongate my eyes just a little bit. So that's what I'm doing. And I always put a little bit of shimmer right on my little teeny lid. I sometimes bring my lid all the way up. It depends on what mood I'm in. But I always like a little bit of shimmer when I'm wearing something dark in my crease, really dark, because you don't want your eyes to look like a Darn raccoon, so that's my handy dandy marker. Eyeliner rather. And I'm going back in because I want some more intensity on the color that I have under my brow. So I'm just going back in and loading up that color again so it shows a little bit better. And I'm going ahead and putting my hookah lashes on. That's what my husband says. Hookah lashes. Nobody needs lashes. Girl, every woman needs lashes this long. I love these lashes. They are dramatic. I would say not for work, but for a special occasion going out, man, other women will love these lashes. I am hoping to sell these lashes in my store. So, girl, I am feeling myself with these lashes. And going ahead and putting my bronzer on. I'm going for a lighter look with my bronzer. So, yeah. Because I really don't need to contour my face. I just like doing it. And you know, the nose. Yeah, I'm never good at that, but I'll always try. Gotta put some powder on. Damn hair. Girl, you gotta make sure you don't leave no powder underneath that eye because it will crease up on you. People can see that a mile away. And you know how people like getting up in your face to look? I'm putting my Christian Dior blush on. I love this blush. Yeah. I'll put the color below. Yeah, I love that blush. Don't ask me what I'm looking for. You see my dog below? And that's my Becker highlighter I got in my Boxy Charm. So yeah. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and let you finish watching it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, I love you guys. Love and kisses. Enjoy the video. Okay, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I am loving these lashes. They are a little extra, but you know, sometimes you gotta do a little extra. I went with using Jacklyn's palette. I'm trying to use some different colors, you guys, because yeah, going with some different colors, some different length hair. And I am really liking this length. It is not heavy on my head, which I really love it. I think the density 150, and I will be leaving the link for this hair below. It is actually super cute. To get this hair looking like this, I didn't do anything but wash it, guys. I didn't put any product in it. Well, that's not true. I put some argan oil in it after I finished washing it, and I just let it air dry. That was it. I used the brush on it, put it on my head, and girl, that was pretty much it. And I just brushed it down like this, and make sure I keep the ends nice and moisturized. I'm sure if I put some water in it, it'll look crazy, but this is just, I think, the straight. So this is, no, natural. I think I got it in natural, but I cut it and put layers in it, so when I curl it, it'll have a little bit of volume. But yeah, I'm really liking that. I use my highlighter that I got in my Boxy Charm, guys, and you know I love Becca, so that's the way that's turning out. And did you know Nars is listed as the #1 foundation, so you guys need to check them out. I am using I actually used 2 different colors today, but yeah, I'm liking it. It doesn't have me looking too red, so yes. Come back. I hope that you got a chance to watch my other videos. I did a room tour of my little makeup area and showed you all my super lashes, and I picked up some more, including the ones that I got on, and I will be probably selling these in my brand new up and coming shop, so stay tuned for that. And I got some new things, so I will be showing you those also coming up. So thank you for watching. As always, I love you guys. Mwah. Yeah, I'm rocking this. Look, I am loving this highlighter. From grandma to sassy mom. That's what my granddaughter says. Sassy mom.